Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize default collection page on Shopify. Let's get started. So let's head over first to our product to see what are collections. So click on collections right here, and as you can see, I have two collections right here. So let's head over to our online store. And onto our online store, we should be able to see the customize button right here. Then click on it, and from in there, you should be able to open the Shopify editor. Now, on default, it will show just like this. Now, click on the home page, click on the collections right here. And as you can see, the default collection that we have is assigned to two collections, which is the two collections that we had earlier. So click on this. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the look of that collection. Now you can just press or click on any part of that page, and it will open this options right here wherein you can change some things. You can change the color of this theme just like this one. Now, when you click on one thing right here, which is for example this collection banner, you can show the collection image. Now, you can also show the color scheme, or you can also change it in order to fit what you want. Now, you can also click on this theme settings right here and add in here a vertical offset, page width, and under the custom CSS, you can add in here custom codes in order to make this more personalized and to your liking. Now, when you click on the header right here, you can also put it right here as a sticky header, or you can also make this change a color scheme just like this one. And then in here, you can also choose this menu color scheme right here. It totally depends on what you want to use. And in here, you can also put in here a country region selector as well as a language selector, mobile logo position, spacing, section padding. And you can also put in here a cart type. It can be a pop-up notification or a page or a drawer. And in here, you can also put in here some links that you have on your actual store, and those logos will display right here. So for example, let's put in here a Facebook link right here. So let's put in here a Facebook link. And then once you have saved this progress right here, it should be able to be added in here or under actual footer right here that we have. So let's head back again and let's click on this footer that we have right here. Now you can enable in here the social media icons that you have and everything that's in here. Now head over and click on save, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.